The year is 2025. Nations around the globe are pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Every breakthrough is smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. Today, we explore the top 5 countries leading the world in futuristic inventions and cutting-edge technology. Visuals: futuristic globe, holographic maps highlighting countries, AI circuits overlay, neon city skylines, dynamic camera rotation. Number 5. United States. Leaders in AI, powered robotics, autonomous vehicles, and smart city innovations. Their inventions are redefining urban life and mobility. Visuals: robots working alongside humans, autonomous cars on neon highways, holographic smart city dashboards, drones flying overhead. Number 4. Japan. Masters of clean energy, advanced fusion reactors, and humanoid robotics. Their technology balances efficiency, sustainability, and futuristic design. Visuals: fusion reactors glowing, humanoid robots interacting with humans, solar and wind energy farms, neon-lit urban streets. Number 3. Germany. Experts in sustainable infrastructure, AI, integrated factories, and next-gen transportation systems. Smart cities and green technology lead their innovation revolution. Visuals: high-tech factories, autonomous public transport, green smart buildings, holographic energy grid. Number 2. South Korea. Pioneers of ultra-fast 6G networks, next-gen consumer electronics, and AI-assisted daily life. Connectivity and speed define the future here. Visuals: holographic 6G network overlays, people using smart devices, AI home assistants, futuristic urban nightlife. Number 1. China. Leaders in space exploration, reusable rockets, and lunar research stations. Their technology is pushing the limits of humanity beyond Earth. Visuals: rockets launching, lunar bases with astronauts, holographic space tech displays, neon-lit control rooms, futuristic space lab. These were the top 5 countries driving global technology and inventions in 2025. Which country's innovation excites you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more futuristic updates. Visuals: holographic globe showing all 5 countries, neon tech overlays, dynamic camera zoom out, glowing subscribe animation.